Hi, I'm Tevec. Welcome to this YouTube tutorial all about belly rolls. So we're going to build up the strength and then go through the technique behind the belly roll. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel for more YouTube tutorials and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Let's get ready. So I have a cushion here to help me for some extra comfort, so to prop me up a little bit, and you can do the same just so that our hips can stay level and in line with our shoulders. So we want hips, rib cage, shoulders and neck all in line. You can sit this way, you can have your legs extended out, or you can even take your legs underneath you. Choose whatever's most comfortable for you and we'll get started. So here we go. I'm going to sit cross-legged. I'm going to start by pulling the belly button in, just the belly button, and popping it all the way out. So pull in the belly button, pop it out. Nothing else moves. In and out. Let's do two more. Pull that belly button in, pop it all the way out. From here towards the spine, pop it out. Okay, and your breathing should be normal. So we're not going to breathe in and exhale as we do it. We want to inhale and exhale independent from the belly. Okay, so this is a muscular movement using the front of the abdominals, the abdominal wall, and we're pulling all of our six-pack basically in towards our spine, popping our six-pack out. Okay, and we all have one. Let's get a bit faster now to strengthen those muscles. Pull in the belly button in, out. So imagine someone's taking a photo of you on the way in, and then you've had loads of cake and you've unzipped your dress and it's like, oh, let it pop out. In, out, in, pop. Pull in, pop, in, pop. For 5, 6, 7, 8. Your breath goes inhale and exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. Careful you don't speed up your breath to go inhale, exhale. Keep your breath regulated. Okay, well done. Right, now we're going to move on to the belly roll. So we want to dissect it into 3 parts. You're going to try to contract, pull in the upper abdominal wall, the upper part of the six-pack, then pull in the middle section, then pull in the lower section below the belly button. And then we're going to release the upper abs, middle abs, lower abs, relax. Again, contract and pull in the upper abs, middle, lower, and now we're going to relax out with the upper, middle, lower, and release. Okay, I'll show you from the front. Breathe in, sit up nice and tall, contract the upper abs, the middle abs, lower. Now we release the upper abs, middle, lower, and relax. So together it should look like 1, 2, 3 going in, coming out, 1, 2, 3 coming out. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Relax on 4. And now we've contracted in stages, locked in, and popped out. We're going to smooth that out. So we're going to roll through, contracting still 1, 2, 3, and then flowing out 1, 2, 3. So we're pulling in 1, 2, 3, popping out 1, 2, 3, rolling through 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then when you're ready, you can get a bit faster. So you can practice 8, out, in 7, out, in 6, and pop out. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now we can practice a little bit faster at double the speed. 8, 7, 6, roll, roll. 3, 2, 1. Start from the basics. Start with those contractions and then build your way up. It will take time. These muscles are new, okay? They're not just gonna happen out of the blue if you've never done it before. So don't give up. Keep practicing. Keep trying to contract and pull in one muscle at a time. And then you'll be ready to belly roll till your heart is content. So I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe. Let me know, what do you want to see? Do you want me to do any more tutorials? What would you like to learn? Lots of love to you all.